This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make club sandwiches. So I just got some black forest ham from the deli. Also, this is oven roasted turkey, and we're going to use cheddar cheese. This is romaine lettuce, and also you want 3 slices of peppered bacon, and that will be for the other side. And we're going to do 3 pieces of toasted bread, which obviously we're not going to do on camera. So we'll be right back. Okay, so in a preheated cast iron skillet, and you can use any kind of skillet you want, we are going to put 3 pieces of bacon in there that are cut in half. And just within a few minutes, it'll be ready to go. So rather than coring it, we're just going to cut the end off, and then we're going to cut the tomatoes relatively thin. If you have a bigger tomato, probably going to do a couple slices for one sandwich, but I think that'll be enough. Then we're going to build our sandwich. So of course we are going to add mayo to this side and start building our sandwich. We're going to add our turkey. Of course, that's big enough. Our ham. This is going to be our in-between piece. Add our mayo to it. And then on this side, you also want to add your mayo. And basically you want to build a BLT sandwich. And on the last side, of course, I want to add more mayo. A little press. Of course, we forgot the tomato. Nothing new on here. You're going to press down your sandwich a little bit. Of course. With a very sharp knife, you're going to want to cut it. There we go. We're going to plate it up. We'll be right back.
Oh, we gotta have the Mr. Creepy Face cam.